So what the thing is that, see here, when you are just example I share you. So see, this is the here, this is the head, okay, then the torso, then the pelvis, okay. So what the thing is that head, then the torso, then the pelvis, okay. So what I do, I just add the neck over here. See, this is the neck, and then add the body over here. So like a body over here, okay. Don't draw now, don't draw now. Stop drawing. Now here I said half of it. Here is it. Stop the talking bit enough. Making these two eyes over here, two nose over here. See how easily can draw. I example share you. This is the eyes line. This is the nose line. This is the mouth line. See the mouth. How to draw? Very simple. Here two hands. See here this two hand. Here and here two hand. 1, 2. See how from where enough? From here to here two hand, right? And the leg coming here. 1 and 2. Leg coming here. Okay. So same things I am doing over same here. First I explain the how to draw, and now I just show you. Okay. So I just using another pencil. Is it visible better?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Sir, did you draw in the screen, sir?
I share you just now. I make it over here this line,
Oh.
and here can draw like this. Oh, my pencil is gone. No.
What happened? Wow.
My pencil is. I put more pressure. That's why my pencil is go. My pencil is boom.
What's this?
Boom. Now I just cut my pencil. Okay, so now I just create over here the nose. Here the nose. Okay. I just go over the nose. They are not trying to. Don't draw. Just watch. Don't draw. Just watch. I make this two eyes over here, two nose over here, and the nose is like the bigger. It is easy. It is easy, not difficult. It's easy. Okay. It's easy. Just make the nose. Yes, beta, just a minute. Some internet issue and now is coming. Your host network connection trying to connect. Sorry, some internet issues. So it is happening. Don't worry. You wait. Okay. So now what I do here so I just draw the eyes and then I draw the nose. And see the mouth is I just make it little bit of line like square like this. See here is a mouth like this. Okay, these are two teeth. These are teeth. Wait, don't draw, mama. Mama, don't draw. Just see. I first watch. Liksha, don't draw. Deepta Prashun, don't draw. Arpan. Kavita ma'am, daughter's name, it is Avishi, right? Beta, your name. Don't draw now, just watch it. I just giving time, don't worry. So this is a body. Okay. So that much now your time to draw first. Okay. Now your time start. Come on. I'm using the three color over here. The deep green, the green, deep green and light green. Basically the three colors, okay? So let's start. Cool. So I put this green color. Now, first watch. No, don't do color. First watch it. Make how to color. First watch. Nobody are doing drawing now. Stop the drawing. Stop the drawing. Stop the drawing, Arpon. I will just eating you with the water, glass of water. Arpon, don't do beta. Watch only, beta. Just watch.
Oh my god.
Santushti, turn off camera and draw. Watch it.
I used to do that.
So I just make the. It is called the flattering color. It's called the flattering.
Sir, how many times will you say, sir?
Before drawing, it is calling the inking or line art. Inking is called. Now it's called the flattering. That's been the flat color, flat one color. Okay, what's called? It is flattering, flat coloring. Okay. So we are put the flattering. We are making this. Don't color go outside and using the finger and mix it up nicely. The dinosaur's color is a green. So I mix with my finger, okay, nicely. So we are making the second tone, but in the flattering time, it's the only first tone. So I make the flattering very lightly like this. Pull the green color.
I had.
So first make the full green color. Don't talk enough. I taking classes better, and this is the online and offline from Australia, from German, from US. Our student is there, so don't talk. Okay, I just make it again. This is the line. We can make it this finger. Use the finger to make it mix the color nicely. Not now. Just I finish first and then just yes. My hand is becoming green. So this is the flattering color. It's called the fast tone. And after that I show the rendering. Okay, it's only the flat color everywhere. Now your time starts.
Yeah.
Color.
Yeah, sir, color, sir.
Now you start colors.